Hello guys and welcome back to Car Focused. In today's video, just a bit of an unboxing video really, because I've got a few little treats for the Fiesta, which I'm going to be working on over the winter, adding a few little bits to it, sprucing it up. Obviously I've got the Focus RS, which is now undercover. Also got a couple of bits to do with this car as well. I need to take the end of the side skirt off to look behind it to see if there's any rust, or see what the rust situation is like, because I mentioned about the sill ends last time. I've been talking to Tyler from the body shop, not too far from here, and he's asked me to check that out. So we're going to do that. I'll do that on film. We'll see what's lurking behind there. Hopefully nothing too bad, and then it'd be lovely to get this booked in to have the rust sorted out. But anyway, until then, we've got goodies. Now, the infamous Mount Tune. Got a couple of goodies in here for the Fiesta. And I've also got something from Ford, which I've ordered on eBay. Another little treat for the Fiesta. I did also change that air temperature sensor for the internal temperature of the car, because my automatic climate control was either blowing out hot or cold. There was like no in between. So I didn't film it because it was a bit fiddly. I had to take the surround from the gear knob, and I had to take the climate controls out and then access this little sensor. Anyway, I've replaced it. I think it was about 40 quid from Ford for a new sensor. I've replaced it and it's cured the issue. So now I've got climate control in the car, which works sweet. I've also put LED 501s in the interior because the car has footwell lights, which I don't think they put the bulbs in there from new. They didn't on the Focus. But anyway, I've replaced those with LEDs, the one in the boot and also the cabin light as well. So it's all nice and clean now, nice clean LED look to match the front headlights as well, which are great by the way. The headlights on that car are now superb in the evening. Nobody's being glared, I haven't been flashed once. So I can't recommend those headlights, those LED bulbs from Auto Beam enough. No lie, it's transformed the car at night. Anyway, let's delve into these little packages, have a look at what we've got, and then I've got a little bit of a problem with the car I want to show you. It's not a major problem, but it will affect the fitment of one of these parts, and yeah, we'll go from there. So let's get these open and have a look. So, I don't even know if I'm in the frame. I hope I'm in the shot, but anyway, we're not opening these tiles. These are for my bathroom. Part of my new bathroom, from which I sold the coupe before. So yeah, that will be commencing shortly. But we've got this first one. This is an exciting unboxing video, isn't it, guys? I can feel the tension amongst you all. Ooh, waiting to see exactly what we've got here. What do you think they are, guys? What do you think these are? I get these pretty much for every new car I get because they're so cheap. About 35 quid. And they are brand new mats. Let's have a look here. So, passenger. Ah, there we go. It's got the Fiesta emblem and the two little bits that the clips go through, because mine are looking a bit tired at the moment, so I thought I'd just do a little refresh with these. So I'll pop those in a minute. They do feel quite thin actually, but yeah, genuine Ford product. So that should spruce up the interior a tad. Yeah, £31, 63 pence from Vosper's on eBay. Anyway, let's look at this one. Now, this one looks like it's a bit of a bugger to get open. It's got huge staples on it. So, is this giving you ASMR vibes? Right, let's rip it open. Right, what do we got? What do we got from Mount Tune? Right, so this is the first one. There's two boxes in here. There are two items. Nicely packaged, as always, from the boys and girls at Mount Tune. Bubble wrap ASMR. Maybe I should start an ASMR channel. If you don't know what ASMR is, guys, go and have a look at it, because you'll be amazed at how many views some of those videos get for people like touching paper and yeah. Anyway, it's a bit like Christmas, isn't it? Here we go. So this is a billet short shifter arm for the Fiesta. So Here we go. Nice bit of engineering there. Can you see it? Hang on. There we go. Look at that. Yeah, so this is a billet short shifter. This will basically give me a shorter throw in the car because the car does have quite a long throw at the moment. And this will just make it feel that bit more engaging, that bit more sporty. I've got no idea how to fit this. Not gonna lie, I might see if Fred and Johnny can fit this when it goes for its health check and its drive belt. Because I've got a new auxiliary belt for the car as well, which is gonna go on. So that is the first item. Now the second item is, you will guess this immediately, from the boys and girls at Rally Armour, combined with Mountune, we've got some mud flaps. Now I do appreciate these are not to everybody's taste, but on my Focus RS I'm also running the Mountune Rally Armour mud flaps. Just think they look really cool. They also do a nice job in just stopping some of the crud going up against the side of the car, and I think when the car's lowered as well it just gives it a bit more of a nicer stance. But I've had these Rally Armour mud flaps not only on the Mark II, but I had them on the Mark III as well. And they are a very high quality setup. So, yes. Oh, hello. Oh, I see. This may cure the problem that I think I've got on the car. Have a look at that in a minute. Anyway, yes, so here they are. Very nice. Just a nice kind of OE kind of look with the Mountune logo on there, and a comprehensive fitting guide by the looks of it too. So I'll probably fit these myself. Could be a video at some stage, but there you go. Nice. Yeah, nice little touch. So that's it, guys. That's a few little modifications that I've got for the Fiesta. Yeah, I'm looking forward to fitting them. Looking forward to fitting this in particular because, yeah, that will make a real difference to the driving experience. So yeah, big up the guys at Mountune for producing some high quality goods. I'm just going to look at these brackets here. These are custom spacers to fit inside the wheel well. So I'll quickly show you out to the car at the moment. I'll show you the problem that I think I've got, but hopefully these will cure that problem. So yeah, let's go and have a quick look. So let's quickly nip out to the little Fiesta. Yeah, so I thought this was going to be an issue. These end caps here seem to be like a little bit loose. But basically, I need to remove these anyway, pack this out here, and it should all be nice and flush. So I don't think that's going to be a problem. But yeah, be cool to get those fitted, get the car on IBAC springs, which is hopefully not too far away now. And it will look very nice indeed. So there we have it, guys. Just a quick little unboxing video of some of the modifications that we've got coming for the Fiesta. As I mentioned a second ago as well, I will be ordering some IBAC springs, the ones you can get from Ford. I think it will lower the car by around 30 mil. I don't want anything more than that. Also, I think I've decided against spacers now because I know there can be some issues with the stud length and I don't want to be cutting down the wheel studs and stuff like that. So I think I'll just have the springs, the mud flaps, and then I think cosmetically that'll be it. Unless you can think of anything else. I don't want to have the car too kind of boy racery. I want it to be looking kind of nice OEM with a little bit of a touch on there as well, much like my Focus RS. And then yeah, just focus on keeping it running sweet. I need to get some new tyres and I need to get the wheels refurbed. So that is something else we're going to do. Once that's done, that little Fiesta is going to look pretty sweet. I've got a good little car there. It's pretty tidy. Yeah, pretty fresh indeed for a car of its age that is used daily as well. But yeah, guys, that is it. Anyway, until the next video, which at the moment I'm not too sure what that's going to be, but there will be one in the not too distant future. Thank you to all my subscribers, by the way. We hit 18,000 subscribers last week, I think it was. Truly grateful for each and every single one of you, and also thank you for the comments regarding my Focus and the recent MR375 videos that I did. Absolutely loving the car now. Yeah, so getting this car back out next year, it's going to be sweet. But yeah, I've got the Fiesta until then. So anyway, that's it. So thanks for watching, guys, as always, and until the next one, take care and I shall see you soon.